Hello, everyone. Today we're going to walk through setting up two-factor authentication on your Google account. What you'll need to have on hand is your cell phone. We'll be using that to install the Google Authenticator app and then adding your Google account for verification. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up your browser of choice. In our case, it's going to be Chrome. Then we're going to go ahead and navigate to that Google account. You'll go ahead and sign in. And then once we're signed in, what we're going to do is click on the account itself, and then we'll go to manage your Google account. Once there, we're going to navigate to the security section. Scrolling down, we'll find the signing into Google section. Here's our two-step verification. We're going to go ahead and click on it. You'll notice that it's off right now, so we'll go ahead and get started to set it up. Let's click on get started. You'll get prompted to sign in again. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and input your phone number. You'll be receiving a text message with a code from Google to verify for the first time. So go ahead and input your phone number. You will receive a text message from Google that contains a verification code. So when you do receive the text message, it's going to have the letter G and then a dash prepended with a 6-digit number following it. You do not need to type in the G or the dash. All you need to do is type in the 6 digits that are after that. So here's our code. We'll hit next. It'll validate the PIN and then ask us if we'd like to turn on two-step verification. We will click turn on. Okay, so now we're ready to go ahead and install the Google Authenticator app and then get our account added. So what you'll want to do is go ahead and open up your cell phone. I'm going to show you the screen on my phone so we can walk through it together. What you'll want to do is go ahead and go to the App Store. We're going to search for Google Authenticator. Okay, and it's going to be this white icon with a gray G in it. We'll go ahead and click on install. You might have a plus sign. Once it's installed, let's go ahead and open up the app. We'll click on get started. And what we are going to use is the first option, scan a QR code. So we'll need to bring that QR code up on our computer screen so that we can go ahead and scan it from the cell phone. So on this same screen that we were on, we're going to scroll down. You'll see Google Authenticator app right here. We'll go ahead and click on that. We will click on Set Up Authenticator. Right away, it'll bring up that QR code for us to scan. Now you're going to go back to your phone. You will click on Scan a QR code. Once you do that, it's going to prompt you to allow the application to access the camera. You'll click on OK. You can go ahead and point at the QR code and scan. And once it adds the account for you, you'll see your Google account with a set of digits that are continuously rotating. Okay, so that means that our account has been successfully added. Back to the computer, you can go ahead and click on next, and you'll be prompted to enter the 6-digit code that you're seeing on your phone for this particular account. So we'll go ahead and get ours added. You'll click on verify. And now it's added your authenticator right here. And then that way you don't have to wait for any text messages. You just get the codes from the verification app. And you can see now that that's all set here. You even have the option to delete your phone number here as well. And you can see that our app is still here. Okay, you can leave your phone number as a backup verification method as well, or any one of these other backup options if you'd like. What I'm going to show you now is I'm just going to sign out of the account. You will stay signed in until you get signed out or until you sign out yourself. So you will only be prompted to do the two-step verification when you are signing into the account or accessing the account from a new device. So let's go ahead and sign back in. We'll click on next. And now you can see, please enter your verification code from the Google Authenticator app. So on your phone, you'll open up that app. If you don't have it open, you'll see it on the screen. It will look like this. You'll open it up. It's got your code that's going to be changing. So we'll go ahead and type in our code. We'll hit next, and you are signed in. So it just adds that extra step, and all it's going to do is protect our account to make sure that we don't get compromised. Now, we installed the Google Authenticator app on an iPhone in this video. The steps will be very similar on an Android phone as well. Instead of the App Store, you will be using the Google Play Store instead. So, your Play Store for your Android app. You'll still search for the same Google Authenticator app, install it, and then follow the same process that we just did to get the account added and verified.